Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a problem based on the concepts of angles in a triangle. In this problem, we have to find the interior angles in this triangle. So let's start by marking the interior angles in this triangle. So the first interior angle is this blue angle. The second interior angle in this triangle is this red angle. And the third interior angle in this triangle is this black angle. So we have to find the measure of these three angles. Now we are given an expression for the value of this blue angle, this red angle, and we are given an expression for the value of this exterior angle. So this yellow angle is an exterior angle because this angle is outside the triangle and it's adjacent to one of the interior angles. So we have to use these three given expressions to find the three interior angles in this triangle. Now for this we'll have to use the exterior angle theorem for triangle. So it's called exterior angle theorem. Now, as per this theorem, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles in this triangle. So, for this exterior angle, the opposite interior angles are this blue angle and the red angle. So, this exterior angle, so our first equation is y plus 49 degrees equal the sum of these opposite interior angles. So y minus 12 degrees plus y minus 3 degrees. So this is the equation we have to use to find the value of y, which we will then use to find the three interior angles. So now we have to solve this equation. So we can start by combining like terms on the right side of this equation. So on the right side, y and y are like terms, and negative 12 and negative 3 are like terms. So we can combine them as, so the left side stays the same, and on the right side, we get 2y. So y plus y becomes 2y, and then negative 12 minus 3 becomes minus 15 degrees. We have like terms on the opposite sides of this equation. So y and 2y are like terms. So we can combine them by subtracting y from both sides. So the y's on the left side cancel each other out, and we are left with 49 degrees equals, so 2y minus y becomes y minus 15 degrees. We can isolate y on the right side of the equation by adding 15 degrees to both sides. So now the 15s on the right side cancel each other out. So we get 49 plus 15, which is equal to 64 degrees. So the value of y is 64 degrees. We will use this value of y to find the measure of the three interior angles. So I'll use the same color for each of the angles. So let's start with the blue angle. So the blue angle is y minus 12 degrees. So we'll sub in y as 64 minus 12 degrees. So I get 52 degrees. So that's the measure of the blue angle. Now we can find the red angle. So for red angle, the expression is y minus 3 degrees. We can sub in y as 64 degrees, which is equal to 61 degrees. So that's the value of the red angle. And now we can find this third angle, which is the black angle. And for that, we can use the sum of angles in a triangle theorem. So we know that sum of all interior angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So our equation is 52 degrees plus 61 degrees plus the unknown angle, let's label it as x, equals 180 degrees. We have to solve for x. So first we can add the terms 52 and 61. We get 113 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. We can isolate x by subtracting 113 degrees from both sides. So now the 113 degrees from the left side cancel each other out, and we are left with 180 degrees minus 113 degrees. So I got 67 degrees. So these are the three interior angles in this triangle: 52 degrees, 61 degrees and 67 degrees. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.